Today I went to the supermarket and I didn't get any beans. Then they told me, get those corn. I said, I used to eat this, but I no longer eat them. I'm going back home. I just bought cheap chow. And
She get what?
cheap chow. And
She get what?
what? You don't know the veg, the green veg that I like?
No, let him again.
I'm not saying.
So this is $7,000 a year for you, Cranberry, from Leslie.
Thanks.
I got a donation as well here for you. You know, I got it from Leslie. I got $7,000 a year. Yeah.
The last time to finish was going to pay the bill.
And I bet I can finish before you.
You can finish before me? The last one is going to pay the bill.
It's burger eating contest. It's so good though.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel. Want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day them
Well. Blessed love, blessed love, blessed. Ooh, she butterfly. What the cat? Well, guys. Blessed love, blessed love, blessed love. Welcome. I'm back here. Father for the year. Bams. Go on. Yes, guys. I'm here in Trenchtown, you know, but I'm gonna head up to Mammie River to see Cranberry, you know, because I got a donation for her, but I also have a donation for Father for the year. As well to say I'm just gonna drop it off and just make a quick run go up there, you know. So the rain is kind of slowed down now, you know. Yeah, so hold on. Hey, what's happening?
Let's take out the pin then.
Just take the pin out of her foot?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, wait,
Okay, so she.
Last week Friday. Yeah, take out the pin.
So she pin free now.
Yeah.
Okay, so she'll lie down.
Come on, can't walk, look up on it now. Can't walk now upon it.
Yeah, that's good. So when the pin come on, that means you know she free up.
Free up.
Her legs are going to go straighter.
And next 3 to 4 year time, I'm sure we continue our job straight.
Okay. So
They
next,
want to push it straight already.
oh.
So,
Hello. Oh, injured leg. Take your time. How you doing?
Nothing.
Give me my new camera. Hello.
Well, modern. Why do people wear modern clothes?
So you don't. The pin is out your legs now. Wow.
At hospital. At hospital was worse than I thought. They put something in my hand. They put it here. They put it here, what swelled my vein. And then they put it here. The last time we were trying to put an access here.
Hold on.
And she not certain things she don't want to eat from me. Like,
oh, she don't want to eat certain things from you?
yeah, so she got to touch up eat and tell them give her something to open her appetite.
Oh.
Yeah, and drip. So I went to the man with time and I right away them and did 4 days after. Got here and I drip. Bit of plastic in my blood. So I'm afraid they're going to take them out.
Oh,
Discharge,
okay, on the Friday gun.
yeah.
Okay.
Discharge,
Are you feeling pain now, Shanette?
No, my leg quick.
Liquid.
On the crick.
Liquid something where yeah, she not feel the pain.
Oh, them yeah, liquid. Okay.
Antibiotics, you know?
Yes.
Pain medicine, antibiotics.
So at least that's good.
Yeah, 3 times a day. Yeah, 3 times.
3 times a day.
Come on, pan all them say.
Oh,
She can't take the pain there.
severe, come on, harsh.
You talk, come on, harsh, pan all.
Yeah.
Me have bet in her 3 times a day.
Okay, so she's not supposed to be standing too much then.
Yeah, man, I'm supposed to be move around on it.
Oh, move around on it, same way.
But she's not pressure.
Okay. Wow. So I'm glad. Yes, I'm glad it's out now. So she on the road to recovery for straighten. You know, so you know once it's straight.
Like school, man, you know.
Yeah.
And she out of school 2 weeks, so.
Okay. Yeah. But knowing she, you know, she always, she already ahead, you know. You know, from she there, she stop off. Yes, that's true.
I have to go for her to school on the daytime. I don't know the pepper come up. You know, she set back on the pep.
On the pep. Okay.
Make sure they're on top of it.
Yes. Yeah, I'm glad, you know. I'm glad. Hey, I'm happy. You're gonna be running.
They put this here, this was my vein.
Yeah.
Now my vein's fine, and they put it here. They try to put access here, and I kicked around.
You kicked around.
I do not like when people put access here.
Oh, wow.
Well, they called the hospital and then they put me down and put in the access. It feel bad. They touched my vein.
It hurts. Oh, shit.
But when the access was there, they put something greasy inside what pains. And they put white thing inside, which I love what comes in my feet.
Yeah.
It tickles.
Oh, it tickles.
But the main one, the greasy one, doesn't tickle.
Doesn't tickle. It hurts.
It hurts your veins. It's like punching your blood.
Wow.
And if you go at UE and you go in that hospital, do not ever cheat them.
Yeah.
Because they will put the greasy thing inside.
Okay.
And they will pin your tongue down and make you sleep. So you have to put in the access.
Okay, but I'm glad it's over now. You know.
I'm glad too.
Yeah.
I never want to go back to that place ever again.
That's for Jesse. They're not gonna do anything severe on it. Yeah.
I think for the church, I do it already. And tell them can't do it. So if anything, I'm trying to take responsibility.
Okay. Yes.
That's right. So you don't want me to go outside.
Yeah, so you don't have to worry. So you get me? So I'm glad you're gonna be better now. So the only time you're going to the doctor is for them to just put liquor dressing on it for it to heal better.
Cut off these stuff what's itching me?
Yeah, they're gonna cut off that and then.
No, I'm for the medicine. They shot it, but she got one little clinic, renal clinic for her kidney.
For our kidney.
I for the medicine now, but we don't see no sign on us other part of sickness. Me observe her kidney.
Yeah.
We don't see no sign, but we still have.
Just probably just a routine check then.
Never do ultrasound for her kidney.
Yeah. Probably routine check just to be on the safe side.
Yeah, because sometimes you don't know the medicine.
But alright, so the medicine can do stuff as well too.
I'm not telling you about a doctor show me what I want.
Yeah. So guys, as I can see, you know, Shanette, she's on the road to recovery now. You know, they have removed the pin from her legs. You know, so now she's gonna on the road to recovery, so to get her legs them straight. And it takes what, 3 months? 3 months.
Yeah, we see the result.
Yeah, so in 3 months time you will see the result with her legs getting straight. You know, as you say, she's really coming from a far away to where she is now. And this is like the closing stage of everything for she getting there, you know. Cause the father been through a lot, you know, trying to see she straight legs, you know, as most of you would be following up her story, you know, for a long time till now, you know, so literally everything go right through the program. I will also have to thank our extended family as well, you know, for reaching out, you know, and helping out from the day one we started until now you're still here, you know. And father for the year, reason be giving that name because he's looking after 3 kids, 3 girls, you know, of that, you know. I'm telling you, it's not every man will sit down and say they're going to do that. But for him to stand up and see what they're going through, you understand? As a father, I'm never giving same way. Still here fighting. So Shant, I got a donation as well here for you. You know, I got it from Leslie. I got $7,000 here.
Leslie?
Yeah. From Leslie's.
Reminds me of a woman. No, a letter.
A letter.
Yes, a letter.
So that's
I watched
Leslie.
it on YouTube because our internet was gone, and I had my internet. I didn't know how it's working.
Yeah. So tell Leslie thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Have a great day
Yes.
on holiday.
Mm-hmm.
I'm very grateful for it.
Yeah.
I hope you have very happy lives together.
Yeah. So father for you, Leslie from Florida.
Leslie from Florida. But big up and respect, and although you go through a wicked thing one day, you see?
Yes, yeah.
So, give a heart, you see?
Yes.
I love that still because this is a child father, you see? You there many miles and
Still a reach out.
Still, you see? Still a reach out. And my heart goes out for you on the storm still, yeah, Leslie?
Yeah.
So, just keep the moment and know so boy, yeah, the whole of you are human. You have to fight it, you see?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. You can't give up, you see?
Alright.
You never give up, because as I tell you, say, 3 girls, so I'm happy to be a father to the end for them.
Yes, same.
See?
Yes.
I now give up on what me at the right time. You want me joy, you want me life right time, you see?
Yeah, yeah.
But then I come out of the house, so
And-
boy, me I go look for them. I'm not a friend like that. Cut off, every morning we see me have a friend, we just cut off a man. So then I have to pay attention to like,
Yes.
focus,
Yeah.
100%.
Mm-hmm.
See?
Alright then.
Yeah, so big up yourself, Leslie.
I'm big up as well, too,
See,
man,
me
you
I
know?
goes out for you and the hurricane of past through.
Yeah.
You see?
Yes, man.
So, respect,
man.
yeah?
Yeah, man. So, you know, as I said, the love goes out. You know, thank you guys so much, you know, for who've been through that terrific storm that passed through Florida. You know, as I say, I hope all is well. You know, I hope, you know, the major damage I've done. You know, if you get caught up in it as well, so, you know, I wish you all the best. You know, I don't know, the Almighty blesses you all. So Shanette, see you next time,
Now,
okay?
I have to tell you something at school. When this wasn't on my leg.
Okay.
See, in class,
Yeah.
when it was lunchtime,
Uh-huh.
I
You
used
should
to
have-
be a bully who bullied me and my friend.
Mm-hmm.
Her name was Katerina.
Yeah.
Sorry, Faith, I had to say that word.
Mm-hmm. Alright then, never mind.
I know you said why you have to include my friend's name, but I don't like her. I don't like her for real.
No, it was still show her love, okay?
Yeah, love it. Yeah.
Love will say, high five.
Bye.
Bye. Alright, father for the year.
Yeah, man, I got respect, you know.
Yes,
God
yeah.
bless you, yeah?
Alright. Yes guys, so you know I'm gonna head to Mammie River as well too. So I'm also gonna pick up Dee. I know cause she on the road so I can show her what Mammie River is like as well too, you know. So while we're gonna meet Cranberry, my adopted one. You know, we have Talpy here, one Talpy, you know, straight, you know, up and down, you know, straight. Yes guys, so you know the thing goes already, so we'll take on the journey and come back see if I can beat this traffic. Can beat the traffic so we can right now. You know, so let's remember stay tuned guys, stay tuned. The fancy area. You're on the lift. Oh, you don't know time. Tell it 2 minutes to take 10, 20 minutes. This guy, so I'm gonna head up to Mammie River now, you know, to give Cranberry a donation, you know, to give Cranberry a donation, you know, for her to go back to school because, you know, the last time I went there to give a donation, you know, for her, because she never went to school because she never have no any money, to go to school, no lunch money, nothing at all. So I have to give her some donations. So we got two of our excellent family that sent 2 donations for her. You know, we thank them so much. You know, thank you guys so much for blessing Cranberry. You know, this donation can help her to go back to school. You know, school is very important, you know, for she to be attended to, because you know when they're young you don't want them to stop from school, you know. So we thank our extended family, you know, so much, you know, Leslie and Joy, you know, we thank them so much. You know, also for blessed father for the year as well for his daughter Shannon. You know, as I can see, is great, you know, great work. So the pin has come out her leg, you know, so we give thanks and we're thankful for that also. So yes, I'm down here by the waterfront. So guys, the waterfront is nice to stay. The environment, you know, the ambience here is very calm, quiet. You know, it's very, very nice. You know, and there is the waterfront is so nice. You don't know time.
I don't know. Hey, Kiris just said 2 minutes.
And 2 minutes here. 2 minutes what?
Not more than 5.
What? It wasn't 2. It wasn't
I got
2.
it from you.
From me? Guys, you know I'm good on timing, so.
No. Never. Kino, when you say 10 minutes, it means 1 hour. So
No, if I say 10
definitely.
minutes, it's 15. If I say
Anyway.
5, it's 7.
I hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to Kino Life in Jamaica.
Jamaica.
Welcome back to the channel. So in case you're new here, you know what to do.
Know what to do.
You know what I mean?
So guys, I'm
And
gonna head
enjoy
up.
the vlogs while the time still lasts. When I leave, don't start asking me, where's Kino?
Yeah man, one time in the chalet, just got asked, where Kino there? Let's go over there, where's Kino?
Yeah.
You know?
So enjoy the videos.
Yeah, so enjoy while she's here. So guys, I'm gonna head up to Mammie River, you know, to give that girl, her name is Cranberry. She's my adopted daughter. She called me daddy and all these things, so I always give her support, you know. So you're gonna see her.
I can also call you daddy. Give me
Yeah.
support.
Yeah, so everything goes already. So I am everyone daddy, because that's why I always be giving back, you know, like a father.
So what are you giving
So
me
I am
today?
a drive tour.
A drive.
I'm giving her a drive.
Just came out just to, just have the breeze. I'm
Yeah.
not even making a video or anything.
Just the breeze. But the breeze is nice. Come.
The breeze.
So guys, so what I'm giving her today, chauffeur driving. Hey, she's getting chauffeur driven. So you see, I'm always
Maybe
giving
today she'll drive. What is
drive. Listen. Let's go sit
Give
and
me the
get
key.
chauffeur
Give me
driving.
the key. I don't
Go
want.
over there.
Give me the key.
Alright guys, so stay
Yeah,
tuned.
right.
See, Diana turned big driver now.
Of course.
You know,
Can drive.
driving big BMW.
Back home.
Back home, riding big bike.
Big mama.
Big. That's one thing
Big mama vibe.
That's one thing I'm not gonna be doing, riding any bike.
Riding the bike?
Listen.
It's so interesting. Oh my god, I just can't wait, because next I'm going to a Spanish speaking country and I'll just have to rent a bike. I just can't wait.
Yeah, but
I just want to make myself confident and just know I got it.
listen, nothing is wrong with bike, you know. But listen, you say bike, dropping off a bike, it's so painful. Because you
Yes,
might,
it's painful, but it's not like, you don't go like a madman or a mad woman.
Eh.
Just take your time and go
listen,
on.
you see some of the toughest man, they must say them tough, drop off a bike and cry like baby.
There's another, Shane's friend died because of the motorbike. The
Yeah.
head was on another side, the legs were on another side. It was so bad.
Because imagine, car still having stop built. That's one thing for sure.
But for the motorbike?
car still not. Motorbike worse, still having stop built. So imagine vehicle and still motorbikes, they're still trying how to get it complete, and they still cannot get it complete. So I will just go and sit on the steerings, put on the seat belt before you guys are keen on your seat belt.
But it's really interesting
Bike.
riding a motorbike. Really, it's very
Bike
fun.
now have no seat belt.
Yeah, but it's really interesting. You just feel like, yo, sooner or later, I want to get that big motorbike. You know those big ones that you go like this, and
What, the big wheel ones?
yeah.
Aye.
And then you just bend over on the motorbike while you're driving.
Because she
I
really,
can't wait.
she's fearless, for doing these beard efforts time. I'm not them one, I'm a
Guys,
soft
Kino
life.
can't even go for camping. Kino is like, see, where am I going to go for the toilet?
Exactly. Me, the camping thing is not for me. I want to make sure when I get up, I go straight to the toilet and then go lie down in a nice soft
Just give
bed.
me, where are you going to bed? Salty water or where? I'm like, can't you stay 2 days camping?
Imagine you're outside in the bush and you go out.
Of course.
Guys, I used to have some rough life growing up in Trenchtown. Remember, you know, if I give you those stories, you know,
Can I give you the story?
if I tell you those stories growing
You
up
pass
in
the
there.
chimney, now you have to use the magazine.
So before, yes, magazine or newspaper, it's newspaper,
Then
yeah.
Kino will tell you everything, then go fly.
I'm fly that like a drone. Guys,
And
listen.
there's this building purely to do that.
Yeah. Hey, listen, in Trenchtown, I remember, you know, most of these houses they never built, you know, with any bathrooms. So guys have to really get adapt to it, you know. So most
Guys
people
driving a
have
big car,
none.
but is not patient.
So you know, Trenchtown is a very violent place. You know, when you come on to late night, if you don't have a toilet in your house, you know.
But not
you have to
nowadays.
yes, not nowadays. It is either use the chimney, or you have to get that newspaper and the black bag.
That is Kino, guys. He wasn't Kino with under the the magazine and the black
Of
bag.
course, listen, imagine me late at night get up. Those times no toilet, no bathroom, no bill on my house yet. You see me? So in the hours I was scared to come out the yard and go all the way to the back, you know, to go
You
use
ask
in the
your
bathroom.
cousin, Hero, come give me some
And I
company.
just grab that newspaper, you know. But listen, so in Trenchtown, when you're walking back in the day, you have to be careful. Okay, you walk, you see a bag just fly past.
Sure. And then it
You know,
jump on you. You have to.
You wonder what that fly past, you know.
Guys, can you give me this story? I laughed till my
course.
stomach was aching.
But listen, you cannot be ashamed of the way you grew up.
You
because
grew up,
remember,
yeah.
you know, you have to know where you're coming from to know where you're going, you know.
Then I was telling Kino, for me being raised in the countryside, we always used to have those pit latrines, you know. And because we were a small family, they could not easily fill up. So no smell, no nothing, because my family has always been a small family. And we always had those latrines somewhere to shower, so nothing like flying toilets.
And that's the one that the one that I kind of, the pit one. When I went to country, I used that one. And I'm telling you, that's one I don't like to use. You know, them say you have to sit down and literally I stand on it.
No, honestly, you don't need to stand on it because there's nothing to stand on. It's literally just that hole
Oh,
alone.
so just
So
bend
you put
over.
yeah,
bend
the
over
hand,
the hole.
the legs are on the ground.
Okay.
You don't need to sit on nothing.
But alright, in country, where they have it, they build something like a
that's-
board
nah,
where you can sit on. But I don't sit on it, I don't stand on it like crouch, you know. Look around.
You could tell me I couldn't wait to finish and jump out quick and fast.
Remember, Jamaica is hot, you know, so when the sun hit in that place,
I couldn't wait to finish and get out quick and fast.
telling you, guys, listen, guys, there's
all
something
good
else,
days.
guys. So we're driving through downtown now. So we're driving through
There's
the
no
market.
traffic today.
Well, for here, right here, so traffic is everywhere right now, but not right here. Luckily, probably.
Almost 5.
Yeah.
Yep.
So we're going. Hopefully, we're not into too much traffic.
Yeah.
You know.
I'm just passenger princess, guys.
Yes. So that's what she's getting back today. I'm giving back, you know. And
Giving back.
yeah,
This is what you get give back.
driving.
Passenger princess.
Drive.
But it's normal. One thing I know, even my brother says it, it's very rare for people to give you their cars. The good thing when you have your own, you keep rolling and you keep going.
Of course.
If I could be home right now, I could be the one driving.
Yeah.
Because it's our own car. So
Well, you know, in time, everything works in time. You know, in time, you should definitely be driving your own. Just jump and gone. You're alone. Strap on your seat.
but you know, the thing is, practice makes perfect. You just need to keep doing it. You don't just drive once and you just sit down and be like, here. You keep doing it over and over.
The way I learned to drive, you know, well, I always wanted to drive, you know. But when I learned to drive is when time I was quite young, probably about 10, probably about 10. I went to my dad's workplace, because my dad used to work at Facey. With Matalan, you know, and them have the forklift truck. You know the forklift trucks? Yeah, they took a far clip stuff. They used to lift up the goods them and them stuff. So I was sitting down watching the man driving it, you know, and I wait till the man gone and park it up. And I just jump in there.
But honestly, driving is one of the easiest skills. Real, it's so easy. It's just the legs. There's nothing you're doing, literally.
Listen, if it was that easy, people wouldn't meet in an accident.
But it's easy at the end of the day. It's not something to sweat you up or nothing.
Of course, because you have to be so concentrated, so focused on the road.
But you get
easy to steer, I'm telling you. But you also, when you're driving, you cannot drive for yourself. You have to drive for who's driving the opposition vehicle.
Yeah, it's true. But the thing is, driving is very simple.
So the time you tell yourself, say, I'm a big driver, all big drivers end up in the wrong thing that they don't want to end up in.
Yeah, sometimes.
You know, so driving is just like, I think it's pure luck. You know, if you know that, oh, you drive and come out of this without any scratch for years, you know. So we always drive and hope. So it's good thing. It's good thing now. You got so many eyes on driving. You got the rear view mirror, you got your mirror there, you got everything.
This one.
Yes. Back in the days, you have none of that.
Back in the days, you know, you born in 1740.
No, but I'm telling you, back in the days, you never have none of that. So imagine driving those
Back
times.
in the days.
It was
You sure?
harder. Yeah.
There was no side mirrors and mirrors.
No.
What did you have?
Watch some of those long time movies and you see them long time vehicles. They don't have them.
Oh, really?
Yeah, guys, am I lying? Well, if I'm lying, correct me. But check me. When you watch those long time movies with the Italians and all them vehicles, that's what they used to have. It's not that. It's quite surprising. Not too many traffic today. But you know why? Most people stay at home because of the rain.
Yeah, and also the view from here is so beautiful. I don't know if they can see, but I guess
The mountains.
that is it. You can zoom.
Not
So
much.
cute. Yeah, not so much, but
Well, they can see.
beautiful.
That's one thing in Jamaica. They're full of so much views, you know.
Yeah, beautiful.
It's so nice. Cranberry. Imagine that's her name, you know. I adopted that.
Cranberry?
Yeah, Cranberry.
That's a juice that I know.
Yeah, and that's her name.
I stopped drinking any artificial juice. Nowadays I just drink my water, jelly, and that is it. If it's a juice, I make it for myself.
That's good. Healthy way, right?
No more juices, processed juices and stuff. They say natural, but it's never natural.
It's never natural.
Just saturated whatevers and
It's natural when you make it yourself, but it's never literally natural. Hey, when you look on the readings and see the all ingredients,
Hey,
and you see sugar and sugar and sugar and sugar.
You wonder.
And when you see how many grams,
Like what Kina is having in the car, squeeze.
you know?
Lemonade.
Yeah, pure sugar.
Like this one, if you see what they're saying here. So many things added ingredients.
Imagine how much thing they put in your body.
Potassium, hexamorph.
It's all lies.
Sodium
There's no
citrate.
potassium in that. None of that.
None of that, for sure.
For sure.
Then when you see calories, 183 per serving.
And that's a lot.
Sugars,
Sugar,
half of this.
How much sugar?
50%.
50%.
Imagine.
Tell you, man.
It's crazy.
That's why people lifespan cut so short. You know, like this lifespans cut so short.
For sure.
More and more keep on cutting short.
Also canned drinks and foods, and even nowadays I don't buy the black beans in the can anymore. I just go get the beans, go boil them by myself, and that is it. Because imagine the preservatives they used to keep it in there for like a year in the can. It never goes bad.
Them use balm, but them use on the dead.
Imagine, and that's what you put in your body.
Well, guys, I don't know. I'm just saying that.
Today I went to the supermarket and I didn't get any beans. Then they told me, get those canned. I said, I used to eat this, but I no longer eat them. I'm going back home. I just bought cheap chow. And
Did you get what?
cheap chow. And
Did you get what?
what? You don't know the veg, the green veg that I like?
No, wait name again.
I'm not saying. Pop choy.
Oh Lord, she get chip choy.
Pop choy.
Yeah, she got chip choy. I said, the what? Chip choy? I I'm when he was trying to learn him chip chop.
No.
Chop chip.
I just said it intentionally. I know.
You know, you never know, you never remember. You know, but you didn't remember. Chip choy. Imagine, guys, you ever had chip choy before? So let me know in the comment section and tell me what chip choy tastes like. You know. Oh gosh,
Pop choy, guys.
Yes, guys, this is Crossroads. Imagine this, yeah? It's only the honored memory of those that served in the World War.
The honored memory of those servicemen
World
from
War
the parishes of Kings. This is now like the Times Square of New York. You see the big lights right there, so?
Look a bit like that.
Of course, this is the New York.
But this is Crossroads.
This is the Times Square of Kingston.
No, not here.
Where?
This is Crossroads. This is small.
I'm saying it's more of the Times Square because you have the big screens over there. That's what I'm trying to say, like the big screens.
No, but you got, trust me, you got other places who got
with more bigger
screen than this and more.
Eh?
Here is just a small, busy area, Crossroads, you know. Crossroads is small.
That's what I'm saying. It's more
Even
of Times Square. It's so busy.
Half a tree is even more busy than here.
Oh, yeah, half a tree. She told me if you go there past 5 o'clock, you get any girl you want.
And you have more place that more busy as well too. That got it.
Okay. Crossroads.
Jamaica is getting upgraded, you know, so that's what I like still, you know, they're getting more upgraded. Traffic is kind of flowing slightly. Yeah, it's not too much congested like it used to. On a day like this, rush hour.
Yeah.
Rush hour.
More relaxed, I think, because they're approaching the weekend.
You see, up there where you see the hills, that's where the most rain fall. So when the water fall from up them side and the wash come down, that's when the river comes down.
Maybe we're gonna cook tomorrow when we go to the Cameroon family.
Yeah, maybe. They're gonna do fish and lobster. I'm say fish and lobster.
Yeah.
Same say when you come down, we're gonna pick up the lobster net and the fish net and get some oysters. Yeah.
Maybe I need some gloves. I need to catch those things from the ground.
What? The lobster? You don't need no gloves, man.
Hey, are you sure?
Yeah.
You don't need no gloves?
Your hand can work it, man.
My hand is not that tough. I can record for you.
Want to get like any originality? All of the girls, most of them love my personality. Take around a few bends, a few lanes, a few turns.
We can't manage. We can't manage. No one, we can't bother. Oh, Kino, there's a good event actually. You see on 21st, the Maroon community down in Portland where I went. I'm going to release the video. On 21st, there's a big festival there. The Maroon Village. Popcorn will be there. Sizzler will be there. It will be like a big thing down there. 21st, I think, to 23rd or something. Down there. Is it Sunday or Monday? 21st? It's on a Monday.
It's on Monday?
Yeah. They'll be cooking. You remember like the one that we went to the Maroon, whatever, like that festival that time?
Yeah.
It will be something like that thing. That one. That's what they told me.
Kampong Town. As we reach here, I know it's getting dark.
But
because
the camera is still good.
yeah, because it's gonna rain. So you know it's pure clouds. So you feel that drip? The drip.
You love the car?
Yeah.
Oh, my legs are so painful.
That's the Rastaman playing the radio. You hear the river?
Coming down.
Yeah, imagine I have to come give my daughter money so she can go to school. Right there. And there I go meet my daughter. Finally. Oh wow. Oh wow, the river.
Thank you so much and all the best, and knowing that we're going to 100% approach tomorrow. It's going well so far. And I know you already have requests and orders, right?
So the water is dirty. It's nice. They got, yeah, and down here, they have like a pool with sandbags. But through the river come down, wash for the sandbags. Yeah. Wow. Feel the rain. Feel the rain coming down as we reach. Oh Lord. Today. Oh gosh. As we reach. Today is the day, B. No umbrella, nothing. Yeah. Cranberry! Come.
What an exercise.
Yeah. You need to get cross here. Can you get cross? Yeah? You come? Can you jump? Cranberry! Come here, sir. Whoa.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Come here. They have on crops though, so you can step in the water. You can jump.
Looks far.
Looks far. If you come, listen, come at the flat edge. Come down right here, sir. Come down right here, right here, sir.
Oh, see, no, this is slippery. This is
No, it's not slippery. It's not tile. No, it's stone. Stone.
Hi, I think you can go there.
Come.
I'm gonna go.
Oh, you have to jump. Give me your phone. You can't jump. You have to jump. Yeah, you have to jump. Alright, walk up here and come over the side
I
there.
don't know if my leg can stretch up to there, or I won't make it.
Yeah, sir. Walk on this side.
No, I don't want to go on the grass. The grass is very sticky on the legs.
Yeah, yes, an unbalance.
I'm just scared if my leg is not tall enough to stop.
I'm gonna slip. I cannot hold it here. For me.
For you.
Yeah. So just walk there and come on. Cranberry! from this one here. You can't jump from here.
This is even the one.
I have to cross into the water.
Today, what the hell? That one was even much better.
No. One long jump, come.
That one is not Ivory.
No.
Hey, you help me.
Yeah, come.
1, 2. That one is even much wider.
This one is easier.
But it's wider. This is really hot.
Yeah.
It's on the other side.
Cranberry! Yeah, right up here.
How did you meet her?
I came here.
You came here
Yeah.
to the river?
Yeah. Cranberry! Cranberry! Come now, Kino. A daddy. Where's your mommy? Where's your mommy?
Daddy.
Yeah. So shall when I come, oh, daddy. They're coming down. I wonder if we can go up there. Where's your mommy? Where's your mommy? She down the road. She down the road? Cranberry.
It's so dark though.
Hello, say hello. This is D. Her name is D.
You're good? Nice to meet you.
So, Lamia, daddy.
Oh, long you call me.
I want to die foreign, yeah,
Never done a foreign.
You know, gone foreign. You know, when did you go foreign?
You know, I'm go for.
Foreign.
Come, stand up here. So come with that. Come.
Daddy walk me.
Yeah, daddy should call me, you know. So this is what it's like. The dog not doing anything.
The dog will carry me.
Yeah, the dog not doing anything.
The dog does that.
But you have dog at home, Bossy and
But
Bucka.
this one, I don't know.
He's not gonna bite you. See, relax.
I don't know this dog. There's so many.
It's not biting,
Relax.
just smell
Them
it.
not bite you.
It's just a jump on.
D, stop it, my drop. It not bite you. It not bite you. It not bite you.
You know, dog that you don't know anything can happen. My dad always
But-
tells
If you
me.
stop praying, the dog drop dog at home.
Exactly, and she got dog at home, right?
Yeah?
But doesn't know me.
I'm not afraid.
How is school?
Nice.
Nice. You see them here? It's red. It's so red, but the mom have to dye it for them to go to school.
Mama, you say you bring the money, I never remember.
Yeah.
She said she need to spend none. She give me for go to school.
And you got to school with it, right? That's good.
So we send back one text and tell her thank you.
Yeah, me get the text. Remember I reply. But I got some more money for you to go to school.
Yeah?
Yeah. Because I don't want you to miss school, okay?
That me just tell her, say you must have come and she never believe me, you know. Her mother said, if you don't see him come, you must have come to the tomorrow.
Yeah.
She down the road and me just tell him, I don't know where I walk go to.
Oh, your father?
Yeah, go with
Up
me.
there.
Up there. And I some walk go down down.
Hey, stop in the night. Stop in there. Stop in there. We're talking. So.
You're not afraid of that dog.
Because the dog that you don't know, you never know.
All if you don't know a dog, if you stand up,
Yeah, stand up first.
so like my
when they run
father.
from them, they
You
will.
will bite you.
Them dog love woman.
Say real time away you have.
Eh?
Like
like I left the next camera where you have.
Yeah, I left it. Alright. Hey, mommy there. Sure. I'll give you some money, right?
I don't know. We are walking to her.
Yeah, what got to her? Oh, but it's gonna be dark.
So I don't know you go now. I don't know you go drive back. So me, you go show her and make it sure.
So you go cross the river? Where you gonna walk?
Jump.
Oh, you jump. You see? Little girl can jump.
You can jump right there, son? Yes. Just jump and just go to her.
How far she is?
Right down there where you just come up. To the right, I'm on Wendy and Vivian.
Vivian.
Yeah.
So your daddy's coming now?
Yeah, and that's how we for go and see there. And that's how we want to go to mother.
Yup! Hey, fun.
Georgie.
Georgie!
So you see me nearly dropping on the water in a chemo. I say me across the river. I say me and my mother come down here and I fetch the machine. I say chemo nearly wash it. My uncle say, hey, if you make chemo that wash it, then you do chemo that. You better not make chemo wash it.
Hey, stop with the noise, we are talk. Hey, what I said?
Come on, ready. So go on,
Go on back up.
then I go back home, you know.
I forgot to. Go upstairs. Go upstairs. Go upstairs. Big people talking.
Don't make it noise.
You want to go down to your mother?
Come on.
I will
Let me
see.
tell you.
So him will come too?
No, in the stuff for go and go call her.
Okay.
That's what I'm telling you.
Alright then. We'll go and come
Wow,
back.
your phone pretty. Daddy, you get new man.
And no move, man.
To favor you.
So what's your favor me?
And she black like you. I love you.
She's a favor you. I use your favor because she black like you.
What a naughty note.
I tell you. That's what she done. She have so much talk.
Baby, your woman this.
Alright, Cranberry.
Yeah.
Come go to see your mommy. Hopefully there's light down there.
Okay.
Light down there, right?
Yes.
Alright, where she going?
Yeah, she could follow me too.
Make she go back up.
No, I won't go back.
No, she can't cross.
Yeah, me can put that on my back. Look, yeah, what?
No, make she stay.
I want to see that something.
Oh,
Bob, what is that to me? Oh, it looks like a tablet. You think you never?
yeah, come man. Where go on? Now I'm to your leg.
It can take time.
How happened to your leg?
No, I see him put the ground one time and come on here.
Oh,
See him put the ground.
okay. How far are mother there?
Right down the we see her when she go down there.
You sure you go see her?
Yeah, we see her. She down at Vivian. She down. It ma.
How far that there?
It's far.
Them know a woman.
Oh. But them can't cross the river though.
Yes. Tell you.
Yeah.
Yeah, tell me Shala. Tell you that.
So you gonna make them go?
You turn up you want to go road and like that.
Eh?
Anybody want to
No, make them go man. Just Cranberry, we carry go bring her go meet her mother. Them give her something and them will just leave. Like so only stay here.
They can go back.
Yeah, come here, come on watch her.
We're gonna see tomorrow.
Caravan crop, caravan support.
Snap and slippers. So how Cranberry go man to bring her across the water?
Look, come here, daddy, never say, come here, bring on top.
Make she stay man. Walla papa. So we gonna link here. I give the mommy something. Come, Cranberry soon come here.
Nah, let me.
Yeah, go for your cook, come here, go for
They're so small to cross the river.
Just let
Yeah.
them run go for your cook, Sam.
Them no bite her.
Hey, you see she's running.
Them no bite. Cranberry, why you running? Stop running, make
You
sure.
know, see that? You know, see. Them buy my cousin and me alone, you know. I can't
Did you see what?
the baby.
Them no bite her.
Did you see what the dog did to her leg?
No, play them a play.
Run. When you run, I'm a fat. Daddy, don't when you run, the dog will go bite you.
Them a no bite you.
I tell her, stand up. You know, but don't I tell you, so we never know what's going to come. Are you mean somebody to run for
What I go on with?
And yesterday River come down, you know. We were supposed to have a video with it yesterday.
Come down big.
Yeah, it covered the whole of the stone.
The whole of the stone. Because I see it a while ago.
Yeah.
From say it's so brown. You're like,
It makes your hair look nice.
Thanks.
Mine big men is big like mine.
Yeah. You say thanks?
should I get it, Ed? Can I say me that? Are you
see
sorry
a
I
guy
come
that-
to you know?
So you can't black?
Say,
Think
you don't know it's black.
every day I that thing though. Mommy, tell her to stop afraid of dogs, no?
You afraid of that?
I know she.
See her the right and stand up for her.
So them ear red?
See.
Okay, mother ear. It's red.
But tell you so all just have the line.
Cut it, you know. But one girl down the road, she don't really charge me, but I'm just get her look for you. But I me cut it myself, and she end up doing it.
Look, I said that's dying night, you know. Like the teacher say it's too red. Yes, we have to dye it in a
You have
black.
to dye it.
In
Especially
black.
when them a go to school.
I love her complexion. She looks so good.
Don't you? Feisty.
Like a Sudanese.
Mm. Africa.
Wow. So
She's from Africa. You're from Africa. Right? You from Africa?
Come here, hear me somebody down at the back of me now. You Georgia, Ula.
I would them say she must drop in the water. And them say, yo, don't make Kina daughter wash it.
If you ask for money, when you drop in the water, you say, in the water when the river come down.
So how is school? Come here, how is
Nice.
school? Nice. You being a good girl at school? I hope you not cuss the teacher, you know.
Yeah?
you have to go.
She faced it, you know. Yeah, she got so much more than her, trust me. So
One
much.
them they end up make a different TikTok page.
You make a different
Yeah,
one?
but it's the same name, Kenisha Stewart.
Oh.
But I put up most of my song them funny.
She can sing, you know.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Collabo.
Yeah, she's a good singer. In a new song yet?
Yeah.
Mm.
Give us one light.
Oh, you want your girl? I'm sure I hear her sing.
If I find somewhere to go, I will go far away, but I will come back 'cause the river's here to stay. I will go far, 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 far away. Far, far, far away. Far, far, far away.
Hey.
For sure.
Yeah. Cranberry, you can sing? Alright. I'm bring two donations for Cranberry for our school. Get money. So you know, say no more stopping from school, okay? So you're gonna tell them thank you. I'm gonna want shy because you have too much talk, okay? Yeah, so you're gonna tell Leslie from Florida, thank you, right? So this is $7,000 here for you, Cranberry, from Leslie.
Thanks.
I'm gonna say thank you, Leslie.
Thank you, Lazy,
Okay, for this money
for this money.
to go to school.
I'm go to school this month.
Alright. Somebody act shy. I got another one for you as well too. And this one is from Joy from the USA. This is another $7,000 here for you,
Thank you, Jai.
Miss Joy.
Miss Jai, how are you? Fine?
Yeah. Why you acting so shy?
Thanks. Thank you for the lunch money when I get to go to school.
Alright then. So we'll give thanks. We'll give thanks to Miss Joy. Miss Joy, we thank you so much, you know. Blessings and give thanks for my adapt for my daughter. You know, how much father you have?
4,
How much mothers you
6.
So she have 4 father, and me are one of the 4. Right.
and 6 months.
And 6 mother. So you're gonna become a mother too.
Now you have 7.
I have 7 mother. Oh, yeah. So Joy.
That's interesting.
Yeah. So Joy from Big up yourself, Joy. Thank you so much, for this money for her to go to school, and also Leslie, we thank you so much, this will help out her situation to go back to school, so we give thanks every time.
No, I look for your car.
Come from a car, they don't know the car already.
No, I see that them can't see good.
Yeah, me can't see it. No, sir. She's something else, Yeah,
She's something else.
she's something else,
Good personality though.
Yeah,
Outspoken.
I'm telling you. And that's why the viewers them like her, So they want her to do good in school.
Not to stop.
Yeah, not to stop. Cause we can see the struggle,
Hey, don't do that.
Say maybe you pass me down the road, I don't remember
Probably pass you.
Me just a walk with you. You can't jump it down there.
Where? You're going back home.
No, my mother.
Eh? Yeah. No, you.
I was saying, and every time when you come, I'm saying safe journey, I'm saying safe journey.
Yeah.
And the traveling going down back.
Yeah, man. Thank you so much. Cranberry, you going back to the river house?
No, we're going to buy ice cream.
Where?
Mother have money for buy ice cream. So she said she walk down the road.
It's like ice cream now. Right now.
No, we're not eating. We just buy it and put it in our fridge.
Oh, this.
You never know. I don't
You never know. News
No,
time.
sir.
Now remember your car now, remember?
Remember now.
Entire you come
Tell
round.
me over blue car.
I thought me I say
No,
changing
same
car.
car.
Same car.
Yes,
Yeah.
yeah. See it there.
Let's see one.
Other car.
Alright, then, yeah, mommy?
Alright.
Alright, then, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Cranberry, later. Okay?
Make sure you have a safe journey go home.
Mm-hmm.
When I reach home, I go tell you.
Alright.
If you want to come, you can come when I reach home.
Yeah.
Alright,
Yeah.
tomorrow.
Alright, then.
Safe journey.
Yeah, man.
Bye, my friend.
The way of them jump across the river, I was like, what?
They're professionals. But you know when you grow somewhere,
Yeah.
you get to know how to live with the situation.
Yeah, that's it. Especially two little ones, them. I was surprised. Yeah, me like, oh, them I gonna jump this. I'm gonna look, them
And me, I
fly,
couldn't.
them fly across like bullfrog. I'm like, what? I'm like,
they're like
oh my
bullfrog.
days. Yeah, see, especially the smaller one, the way she jump it. And you were struggling, right?
I went to the other side. This is like a wint moment. But trust me, when you're born somewhere, you know how to
you
live.
know how to do it. And that's why, god damn, they really get adapted to it,
Yeah.
Even the smallest one, as my child, be worried.
Yeah.
Because she come so close to the river, and them used to it. I'm like, what? I'm afraid them get washed off. No, stop.
But still, they need to be careful because they're kids.
Yeah.
They're still young. Very young.
Very. And boy, them can't swim, sir. Me and you can't swim like them. Them born in the water, they
know the thing go.
Yeah, so when it comes to night, up here, just get quiet, bush life.
Yeah.
Say,
Sounds.
so imagine when you're camping in them bush, we are talking about, you hear that,
Yeah, just put the bonfire and just relax.
Then the life there, give me the bed, soft life. Yes, guys, so we must give thanks for the donation, for this. The Cranberry, so at least now she won't stop from school, So let's say love, guys. So I'm heading out right now, so probably stop at iBall to get one of them herbal aid or a smoothie. I need something.
iBall spice.
Herbal spice. Where the food is nice. Where the food is right. With iBall spice. Right? see? Very good.
Oh, come,
Go and sit down. Go and get Oh, my left me. It was raining as well. Dog sense fear.
Dog knows you, it's different. And then it doesn't
They don't know me. Raggedy. Where are going? A raggedy. Rain out. You want to run from the dog? She run from the dog.
It licked my foot.
Say, lick your foot. Nah, him said not gonna bite her. She's so scared of dogs. iBall. The Empress there? Call her. Call the Empress. Knock. So deal with iBall.
Yeah.
Spice.
This is the second day here. The only thing that I'm not really used to are the dogs, guys. Even my dad wants me all the time. Even before I left, my dad was like, please take care of those dogs. Make sure they don't come so close to you. It's like, I watch you with dogs and everything.
Yeah. So the dog them get proper puppy chow. So the dog them get fed really good. Not no joke food. So this is the new one again.
Oh, the one that is draining them.
Yeah. They
So
want
that's
burger too?
juice?
Burger. That's the juice there, Noonie.
Auntie.
Finally.
Oh, you know.
Finally. She always watch you.
Yeah, okay. Thank you.
Matter of fact, I saw it last time you was here. I was in New Kingston. I was driving New Kingston, and I saw you walking with your friend. Team Wanga!
Shade.
I don't remember which friend it was.
Okay.
Oh, maybe Shane.
The shade.
With that
She
boy?
was walking right. No, it was a girl.
Oh.
She was walking
Oh, the
right
la-
by Portland Hotel.
Oh, that was the time before.
It probably
Oh,
was.
yeah, that was before.
Okay.
Before, yeah.
Always.
Yeah.
Today I'm here.
Tell us I'm gonna
So
bring
much more
her.
beautiful in person.
Hey.
And those videos, right? Then those videos, they make me look huggy.
And you have locks now.
Yeah.
I love
Rasta girl. They call me Rasta girl.
Rasta Muma. I make sure I tell my promise. Now the second time.
Second time.
I bring her the time, but yeah, it was like, was it night as well, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. We only get juice at the time.
Oh, okay.
So, may I make you
She
try?
says I want to
Try the burger.
Yes, you should.
Yeah, she need to try the burger. So I'm
Try
gonna-
everything
That
when you
juice,
get a time.
what was it?
oh, she like the Herbalade.
The Herbalade. I don't know if there's Herbalade though. Lots of fruit juices.
But she love the Herbalade. But the smoothie, she need to try the smoothie.
You need to try this. That's why I say she just need to try
Yeah.
everything.
Yeah,
Smoothies, yeah man. You can get smoothies.
she make nice smoothie. Say, can you make two? Make two? I like when she make the smoothies, them so nice.
Alright.
Make two.
Sure. I'll make something. For the mango, I'll do it.
Of course, yeah. You get two. I make you try the breadfruit burger. Even if your belly is full, you have to try the breadfruit burger.
I always wondered, curious. D is your first name? Was Wango like a middle name or something?
Okay, we normally have like two names, then you add your parents' name to make them three names. So mine is D. D is my first name, English name. Then we have tribal name, Mwango. That is so two names, D Mwango. So D is basically Diana. I just
short
cut
for
it short.
Diana. Oh, okay.
Diana Mango.
I've met a lot of Africans that have like an English name.
Yeah,
and
yeah.
then they have their tribal.
Yeah, tribal.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's it. Now that's my tribal name, Mwango, from my dad's side.
That is so good. But I'm glad I told you, I kept my promise. And so whenever she's here,
to bring her, yes,
yeah. Cause the first time when I came here and I'm like, oh Kino, you know, I watch you all the time with D. I'm like, oh, and that's when you just left. I'm like, oh, imagine that. So whenever she come,
yeah, man, I discovered him through you.
That's good.
I'm like, wow. So whenever she comes, she have to come try the breadfruit burger. Trust me, when I tried, I was fell in love.
You ordered it already?
No.
Oh,
Make the order then, Kina.
Yeah.
Time.
Alright.
It's done so quick.
Yeah. Alright, so you're gonna make 2 smoothies, right?
Yeah, man.
To take away. I make them so.
You can see that.
Yeah. It's kind of wet, don't it?
Yeah, it was raining earlier. Around the front might be dry out.
Oh, there's people around the front.
Dry.
Yeah, you can sit there.
Alright then, when you shop.
Yeah. Just tell them to make 2 burger for us, yeah?
What kind of burger, right?
Yeah. In here is it's been raining, you know, so in here is always nice. Especially in the day.
Beautiful.
This is the steam pipe.
You need to try.
Nah. Cough. No Herbalaid. Rasta Yardi. You should have been here one time there was the opening. They got a big smoke pipe like this big. What?
When the opening was being done, you were here?
Yeah.
They invited you.
It was nice vibes. You know, nice vibe. Rasta vibe, you know. With chanting and everything and the vibes was nice. Selassie. Coco. T Dread. Just create.
They're not hot.
That is the burgers. See, 2 breadfruit ones.
2 breadfruit burger. Guys, I've never.
Come try.
Under what is like it? Guys, I've never tried this burger, but Kino always say, D, you need to try. Come this side is perfect. Kino always say, D, you need to try.
Yes.
You're gonna love it. But Kino is a burger lover.
Yeah.
Kino loves burgers. So
Healthy
much.
burgers. Looks like that.
Not just healthy, but all of them.
Nice.
Nice.
Looks is beautiful already, right?
Yeah, it looks nice.
So you take our first bite. Sick the teeth.
Wow.
When you hear this, you know it's good. When she say, you know what time it is.
Kino says when I say, that means good.
Yeah.
And when Kino says, wee,
You know what time it is.
it's really nice though.
I'm telling you, not a bite. Moments of truth, guys. I told you, when she come here and she gonna try, she's gonna like. What you saying, D?
Wow.
Wow, surprise, right?
If you're full, it's not full anymore.
It's not full anymore. I told you, when I come and I tried it, I was like full. I'm like, no, I'd have to have 2.
Wow. Breadfruit.
Yeah, bread. So this is breadfruit as the.
There's nothing like, McDonald's
bun.
thing.
No.
Nah. Everything vegan. What are this?
That's the vegetable that they use.
No,
like fritters. Avocado.
Nah, it looks like some kind of something.
What, this you're talking about?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a vegetable where they use them.
Yeah, it looks like chicken.
No, they're fried like fritters.
Wow.
That's why it tastes like that. You said like no chicken. It's all vegetable they use there. They make it like
10 out of 10.
see.
Wow.
They make it like fritters. Wipe off right there. Girl. Oh. Yeah, cause everywhere's eating burger right now. Come, half top. Yeah. 10 out of 10, right? I told you, man. It's nice.
So
good.
I don't know.
I never like burgers. I never eat them, but this one,
It's different.
Hey.
I don't know where I'm coming with this idea to use the breadfruit as the bun.
wow.
You know?
Yeah, no bread.
No
here.
bread, just the breadfruit. Hey, guys, how many times I hear this?
Really, it's so good.
It is good. I'm telling you, it's nice.
Nice.
The first time I come here, when I tried it, I was like, what? You know, I eat it off in no time after I have another one, and then I eat two, and I have to take one more to bring it home. You know, so I had three, plus with the smoothie. I'm like, it was so good. Right, Dee?
Guys, unbelievable.
Don't it?
I can't remember any day that I ate burger, but this one, any day, anytime.
Yeah. And it's healthy, you know, it's so healthy.
Very. And it tastes so good.
No. This belly was full, but having this,
It's empty.
it's empty. Guys, let me show you mine, because I'm going to have mine right now. Right. It's too good.
Wow.
Trust me, it's too good.
We need to do a burger competition.
Hey. Alright. You have tried Burger King already?
Burger King?
Yeah.
No.
You tried McDonald's burgers?
I don't eat those things.
Do those things. This is the first time you're having a
burger.
burger.
Literally.
iBall, come here to the general there.
This is so nice.
Why iBall? So just I get it. See the man himself. iBall spice. Aye. She's saying 10 out of 10.
What don't you? So
10 out of 10 minus nothing. Bad.
natural, you see me?
Natural is vital.
Yeah.
Vital is vital.
She was so surprised. Always for me, please, Empress. Just one right there.
Okay. New equipment.
Yes. Jeez.
New competition.
Winning?
Yeah, I'm winning. The last one is going to pay the bill. The last one to finish is going to pay the bill.
And I bet I can finish before you.
You can finish before me? The last one is going to pay the bill.
It's burger eating contest. It's so good though.
Wow. Wow.
What you thinking, Dee?
I'm like, I need to know how to make it.
Imagine you go back to Kenya, making these burgers and selling it.
For the vegan people.
Sell, trust me. Nice.
What's the reggae and dancehall culture like in Kenya? Is it big? Yeah.
Yeah, it's everywhere. People love reggae so much.
Yeah. I think
Dancehall
maybe
too.
a reggae bar would probably do good there. Reggae dancehall bar.
Maybe rest a little bit.
You reckon?
Spicy.
Huh?
It's spicy.
Not so much, just a little bit.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Portland too. It was nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you. Boy,
Yes, I'm leaving now.
you don't stay here?
I'm here sometimes.
Oh, sometimes. Okay. Alright. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. You should come in the daytime though.
I'll come.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, take care.
Okay.
Alright, yeah man, take care.
Guys, this thing is so good, man.
Don't you?
Huh?
Don't it?
Yeah, it's so good. I'll eat this later. Trust me, I was so full, but I just need to sit down properly and meditate as I eat.
So that means I'm gonna win.
No!
That means I'm gonna win because
No way! No, I saw you were
I'm
waiting for me to
finishing.
give it so that. Nah,
she's-
I'm not paying
she's
the
not
bill.
finished.
I'm not.
Cause she just said it, guys. Say yo, The last person to finish pay the
This
bill.
is not finishing, this is keeping.
When keeping is not a part of it. Sorry.
I didn't know the competition is real. You know, make sure you go on.
You're the one that
finishing
mentioned.
just now.
Alright. Go on. Go on. Well, let's see.
Look, you know, I had a little break.
She gave me time to catch up. Let's see. So, I guess the viewers them is watching who's gonna win now.
Let's see.
Let's see.
Bag of competition. I'm done.
Not yet. One.
You're not wiping your mouth. Guys, Kina's not wiping the mouth.
It's gonna waste time. It's gone now. Alright, so
Kina, you're something else. You can't just put me in a bag of competition.
you're the one that started. You're the one that started. Do you really want to win? Come on, guys, I'm not far away. Look.
So smooth.
Alright, and she got a smoothie to go and drink as well. Raggedy?
Them not here.
Not
So
here.
smooth. Like
Sure.
an iBall style.
Raggedy, hold this camera for me, please. Hold this camera. Because right now, she said the last person to finish eat this is gonna pay the bill. She's a head. Damn.
Can I ask you how go on?
Yeah, so we're going.
Last person finish eat, pay the bill. Alright, see how you go. Look like the on the lead.
Guys, I'm done.
I'm done already. Love on that much still. See
Really?
Finito.
Damn.
Look like Sakina for go pay the bill.
Yeah, you know what I mean? Look.
Yeah.
Yeah, D, wait.
She's shy.
That's for the
She's
food.
so smooth.
Raggedy.
Here you
Throw
go.
it away somewhere.
Yeah, man. This I pay and see it.
D, you throw the food. Camera won't lie.
No.
Camera
Tita?
won't lie.
You'll be editing, you will see. Guys, I'm done.
Even when to stop and pause.
Yeah,
So
move
she's
slow.
going to pay me.
Yes, guys, so. I'm
The
gonna.
winner.
Yeah, she's the winner. I'm still
Yeah.
not finished. So I'm gonna
Guys,
get
we
it.
need to do like a proper one. This one is not like a proper. We need to do like a proper competition of like less than 1 minute.
Just on 1 minute. That looks like you will win.
I'll take this. I'll take that. Here you go. But watch this time. I kind of left something in there to catch up with the minutes.
Wow, that was so good.
Alright. Good thanks.
Guys, we have to win.
Shaggy, where raggedy. 1 quarter. I bought 5.
Well, I never expected that.
To win,
For you to win, yeah.
I have to win in everything. I have to come first. That's my position.
Wow.
Guys, I can't even breathe. I need to jump because everything is stuck right here.
Must.
Plus the juice on top.
Wow. That was numb. Guys, imagine at one time I think I was winning. You know? Wait, let me look and see if that show anything. Let me see if it show anything.
The dog already cleared. There's nothing. Finish.
Dang. You know,
Who is the winner?
That's the village life, you know? That's the village life. Eating a lot.
What is the village life? Eating a lot?
Eating a lot.
Sure?
That was quick, bro.
But guys, that was so good. Everything vegan. There's nothing like meat there, nothing like bread, nothing like chicken, nothing.
It's
everything
so,
vegan.
Yeah, it's so good.
So
Trust
healthy.
me. I imagine it's so quick we eat it. Imagine it's so nice. These are barely full already because she already had something to eat. But she have to add that.
When you reminded me it's a competition. Hey.
You know, I should have said anything. That's my mistake. I should have continued to eat. You know,
keep it.
and let's keep it. And I said, guys, I'm finished. But
You could have gotten
I
me.
could have got it. So yes, guys, I'm the loser, so I'm gonna pay the bill, you know, and everything. She even won the smoothie. I get no smoothie. Imagine that.
It's so good. It's so good. I don't know what is this, peanut?
Yeah, peanut, almond nuts, and everything in it.
I need to learn how to cook this.
Make it not that blended.
Yeah, to blend and how to make the what?
The burger.
The burger is a must.
We did have to come back and I tell you off the grid.
Off
You
the
know,
grid how to make it.
Probably not.
Maybe they can teach me.
But the smoothie, because whenever they make the smoothie, I'm like, how come this so nice? And it's always the same taste. Nothing drops. It's all healthy nuts in it as well too. Natural.
100% natural.
Natural, 100% natural. And normally you can get it in a calabash, so big. Yeah, you get like a soup in a big bowl. Yeah, if you choose to get it in a
Drink till
big,
you drop.
yeah, drink it. And I tell you, it owes you for the whole time. You know. So guys, whenever you're here in Jamaica, you need to come and check out iBall Spice.
You're gonna thank
Yeah.
us later.
Yeah.
I'm hooked already.
I've already hooked her. You need to come and check it out. Trust
And
me.
you see how the lighting is good and everything? So good.
In the yard, nice
Yeah.
man and everything. And to the general, he make it over there. Blessed. Yeah, man. So, yeah, man. So, you finally get the taste of the breadfruit burger.
Yeah, and I
So
won
you
the
can-
competition.
Yeah, so Kenya, see what I go on, right?
The number one.
Big
We
win.
win. Want to win.
Hey. Alright, so I'm going to pay the bill. And then we move, belly full.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers, mate. Cheers to the winner. You know, life in Jamaica.
The loser, you let Jamaica down. Guys,
Yeah.
Jamaica,
Yeah.
king of failure.
Alright. The dog. Look at that.
Wow,
at
this
the
is
puppy
so
there.
cute. Let me take a picture. This is so cute. Guys, you see,
Come on,
a
the
mother
light.
is a forever mother.
Is that the mother or the father?
The mother.
A brother. A brother.
Oh, brothers?
Yeah.
Wow, look at that. That's so cute.
That's the brothers there.
Aww, that's how life should be.
Look at that. Everyone's on top. They say, yo, relax, I'm a brother, yeah.
Aww, so much love.
That's the first me see that. See, that's what the yard full of so much love. Look how them pile up on each other.
Aww, on top of the... Hey, this is so sweet.
Look at that. This is just...
Guys, this is how life should be.
Don't it?
Yeah.
So the animal is demonstrating all
Like
you guys.
like this one. You see? It's just one link. You see?
That little boy is sleeping on his dad's shoulder, and his dad is on his mobile phone as well too, and riding the bicycle at the same time. Just imagine that. Okay.
The burger was so nice. Thank you so much.
Burger, nice, man. So this is the portal. Yeah, brother. Big up, you know?
Yeah, man, see you.
See you guys. Right. Yeah.
Packaging them get upgraded.
I say package them upgrade.
Yes, man. Packaging get upgraded. You see what I said?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. You see what I mean? I remember the first time.
It was in the bag.
Yeah, it was in the bag.
3x7 bag, right?
Yeah, man. So I said, some start, let us get upgrade.
Yes. Right way.
Right way. So I said, get official.
Official.
Yeah, man.
Have to evolve, you know?
Yeah, man. You see,
Every
I
time.
have it the first time, you know?
Yes.
I respect it. You know, so.
More love.
Yeah, man. Love, man.
Alright.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kerry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.